Hi everyone, this is Brad. Here's how you can use a Google Sheet to communicate with a student who does not speak the same language you do. So right in here, we have what we would like to say. We're going to hit enter and is now instantly translated into German, but now we need the student to be able to type over in here. We also don't want them to be able to go in here and change anything. We want all these formulas to be protected. So I'll show you how to do that. What you'll need to do is you'll need to make a copy of the document. I'll have it in YouTube as well as in my blog post. What you will need to do is you'll need to come over here, select like A1, then hold down Control and select D1, and then all of these in here. When you select all those in there, right click, view more cell actions, protect range. When you do that, make sure to set permissions, and then only you're going to be the one who can edit that range. So select done. Now, you will now need to share this. So you could share this with them. You could just email them if you'd want. In this example, I am just going to leave it open to be edited. I'm going to copy the link, and I'll show you what it looks like from the student point of view as well. Okay, so you can see the teacher view and student view. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you, if the student tries to click on it, they can't change it. So if they come over here, type this in, hit enter, you can see from the teacher and the student point of view, it is instantly translated. So really great to see. I'll show you from the student point of view there, and then from the teacher point of view. So really great to have. And then, of course, you could go head back right over in here and continue on with the conversation. So there you go. Hope this helps. Hope you have a great day. Take care.